Introducing SlideTeam's AI Presentation Maker, the easiest way to create stunning presentations instantly, with no design skills required. Simply enter your topic, and let our AI do the heavy lifting. Our AI, trained on millions of slides, understands your topic, and first creates the perfect outline for you to tell a compelling story. Watch as your presentation transforms into an eye-catching deck, professionally crafted with a mix of text, visuals, and data to captivate your audience. Need a personal touch? Easily customize the text and images to match your style, and tell your story effectively. Tailor your presentation's color scheme effortlessly to align with your brand identity. Choose and apply your preferred colors for a consistent and professional look throughout your slides. Explore our extensive template library, featuring a diverse collection tailored for various industries and occasions. Whether you're preparing a business presentation, or educational lecture, or marketing pitch, find the perfect template to convey your message effectively. Our AI creates presentations that are 100% editable in Microsoft PowerPoint, Google Slides, and Apple Keynote. Effortlessly download the presentation and edit, and present it using any of these tools. Craft compelling, fully customizable presentations effortlessly, and leave a lasting impression on your audience. Experience the future of presentation design today. SlideTeam, the future of presentations powered by AI.